Did you know that cancer cells can't survive in an alkaline environment? And guess what? Certain foods can help create that alkaline environment in your body. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only fascinating but could also potentially be life-saving. We're unraveling the complex relationship between what we eat and one of the most dreaded diseases of our time, cancer. The foods we consume play a pivotal role in our health, and they can be our strongest allies in the fight against cancer. Here's the scientific theory simplified. Cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment. But when the balance tips toward alkalinity, it's a whole different story. In an alkaline environment, cancer cells struggle to survive, let alone multiply. Now, how do we tilt this balance in our favor? The answer lies in our diets. By including certain foods, we can push our body's pH level towards alkalinity, creating an environment where cancer cells find it hard to thrive. But remember, it's not about completely eliminating acidity. Our bodies need a balanced pH level for optimal functioning. It's about ensuring that we aren't creating a conducive environment for cancer cells, and for that, alkalinity is key. The idea of fighting cancer with food isn't new. For years, researchers have been studying the potential power held by fruits, vegetables, spices, and even certain types of meat and fish, and they found promising results. But before we dive into the specific foods that can help keep cancer at bay, let's pause for a moment. This information isn't a cure-all, and it's not meant to replace medical advice. It's an addition to the arsenal, a way to equip ourselves with knowledge and make informed choices about our health. It's a journey of discovery, of finding out how our daily choices can have a profound impact on our health. It's about understanding that every bite we take can either feed disease or fight it. So, are you ready to discover these powerful foods that can keep cancer at bay? Stay tuned. Scene script. Fruits, they're not just delicious, they're also cancer-fighting powerhouses. Let's delve into the first 3 foods on our list, all of which are fruits. First up, we have the humble apple. Packed with antioxidants, apples help to neutralize harmful free radicals in our body, creating an alkaline environment that's less hospitable to cancer cells. Next, we have the vibrant and juicy oranges. Oranges are a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that enhances our immune system's ability to combat cancer. Finally, we have berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these tiny fruits pack a big punch. Berries are rich in ellagic acid, an antioxidant that has been shown to slow the growth of some cancer cells. Each of these fruits contributes to creating an alkaline environment in our bodies, disrupting the ideal conditions for cancer to thrive. Remember, an apple a day might just keep the oncologist away. Moving on to the greens. Packed with nutrients, these vegetables are your best defense against cancer. First up, we have broccoli, a powerhouse of antioxidants. This cruciferous veggie contains sulforaphane, a compound shown to stall the growth of cancer cells. Next, we meet the humble carrot. Not only good for your eyes, but carrots also contain beta-carotene, an antioxidant that may play a role in cancer prevention. Studies have suggested that eating carrots can reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including lung and prostate. And let's not forget about spinach. This leafy green is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that remove harmful free radicals from your body. Moreover, spinach is high in fiber and vitamin C, both known for their cancer-fighting properties. Remember, every bite of these vegetables takes you a step closer to a healthier, cancer-free life. So, it's time to make friends with your veggies. Adding a dash of spice isn't just about flavor, it's also about health. Think of spices and herbs as the unsung heroes of your kitchen. They're not just garnishes or flavor enhancements, they're powerful health warriors, armed with compounds that actively work to combat cancer. Let's start with turmeric, a bright yellow spice that's been a staple in Indian cuisine for centuries. Curcumin, the main ingredient in turmeric, is a potent antioxidant. It battles inflammation, a known trigger for cancer, and even helps to stop the growth of cancer cells. Turmeric is like a stealthy ninja, silently protecting your body against the enemy. Next up, we have garlic. Yes, it might ward off vampires, but it also keeps cancer at bay. Garlic contains compounds like allicin and diallyl disulfide that help to slow and prevent the growth of tumor cells. Garlic is the trusty sidekick that's always got your back. Then, there's ginger. This zesty spice is a powerhouse of anti-cancer properties. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, has been shown to kill and suppress growth of cancer cells. It's like your personal bodyguard, standing guard and ready to fight. Finally, we have cinnamon. This aromatic spice does more than make your oatmeal taste better. Cinnamaldehyde, the compound that gives cinnamon its flavor, can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce tumor size. Cinnamon is the quiet warrior, subtly working to keep you safe. These spices and herbs are like your kitchen's superhero team, each with their own unique powers. They work together, complementing each other and enhancing their combined effects. They're easy to incorporate into your meals and can make a significant difference in your health. So, don't underestimate the power of a little spice. It's not just about making your food taste better, it's about giving your body the protection it needs against the war on cancer. So, spice it up for health and longevity. Last but not least, let's dive into some everyday foods that you might be overlooking. These seemingly ordinary items could be your secret weapon in the battle against cancer. Let's start off with the humble mushroom. You might already know that mushrooms are a good source of vitamins and minerals, but did you know they can also help prevent cancer? They contain compounds like ergothioneine, which are antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Plus, they're a great source of fiber, which is known to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Next, we have whole grains. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread are packed with fiber, which, as we just discussed, is a major player in cancer prevention. But that's not all. Whole grains also contain a variety of antioxidants and plant compounds that can help reduce your risk of cancer. They're a powerhouse of nutrition that should not be underestimated. Last on our list, but certainly not least, are beans and legumes. These might seem like simple pantry staples, but they're actually a secret weapon in the fight against cancer. They're loaded with fiber just like mushrooms and whole grains, but they also pack a punch with their high protein content. Plus, they contain various bioactive compounds that have been shown to prevent cancer cell growth and spread. You see, these everyday foods are not just about filling your stomach or satisfying your taste buds. They're about nourishing your body with the right nutrients and protecting it from disease. They're about taking control of your health and making choices that serve you, both now and in the future. So, the next time you're grocery shopping, make sure these foods are in your cart. They could very well be your last line of defense against cancer. Remember, it's not just about living, but living well. And with the right foods on your plate, you're already one step closer to a healthier, happier you. Cancer is a daunting disease, but with the right diet we can certainly lower our risks. As we've journeyed through this video, we've discovered the potent power of food in our fight against cancer. It's an incredible revelation that what we consume can be a vital ally in the battle against this formidable foe. We started by unveiling the shocking truth about the link between diet and cancer. We learned that a lot of what we eat can either feed cancer or fight it. It's a choice we make every day, every meal. Next, we discovered the power of fruits. From citrus fruits packed with vitamin C to berries bursting with antioxidants, we saw the incredible ways these natural wonders can help keep cancer at bay. They're not just delicious, they're also our body's superheroes. Then we ventured into the world of veggies. Leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and even the humble onion, we found out, have the power to rescue us from the clutches of cancer. They are packed with nutrients and compounds that help our bodies stay robust and healthy. Spices and herbs, those magical ingredients that add flavor to our food, were our next stop. We learned that they do more than just make our meals tasty. They contain compounds that can slow down cancer growth, and even prevent it from starting in the first place. We concluded with the last line of defense. Foods rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids like whole grains and fatty fish add another layer of protection against cancer. They help keep our digestive system healthy and our cells functioning properly. Incorporating these 13 foods into our diet can make a world of difference. It's not about a complete overhaul of what we eat, it's about making conscious choices, one meal at a time. Remember, the power to prevent cancer lies in your hands, or rather, on your plate. So eat wisely and live healthily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay tuned.